Don't ignore difficulty in swallowing. Hi, I'm Dr. Harshini, consultant minimal access surgeon, GEM Hospital and Research Center, Paravattani, Thrissur. Difficulty in swallowing, medically known as dysphagia, can be due to multiple reasons, but cancer is one of the reasons. Can be due to cancer in your throat or in your food pipe, which is also called as esophagus. What are the red flag signs when you have to approach a doctor? Difficulty swallowing even liquids, so that is called as progressive dysphagia. Then patient might also experience unintentional weight loss. There can be cough, there can be pain during swallowing, then there can be coughing up of blood. So whenever you experience this, please don't ignore these signs and consult a nearby gastroenterologist.